Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Coffee. Here we have the delonghi Gran Dama espresso machine. We did a tournament with this machine as well as replace the generator inside. And now the machine is working perfectly fine. We're gonna do one shot of espresso. So you can see really good water flow in there. There's not the error that it was giving, which was the grams too fine error. I'm gonna stop it right here since it goes over 2 ounces and I want the cup to overfill. So, and we're trying the hot water. As you can see, good water flow, very good temperature as well, and working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.